So welcome everybody to the beautiful start of the week, Monday morning. Such a beautiful start. I'm sure you must be feeling starting the day with a positive note, but starting the week with a positive note. I don't think so. There could be anything more utthan other than this. Is it true? This is called progress. So and it should be a congratulations to you all, the organizers, our sister Deepika Ben, to have taken this initiative to start Monday, the week, with a very positive note. Okay. So now coming to the homework. We are all in a school, no? Monday morning, you come to the school first, right? The spiritual school. So the homework is given. So how many of you, the homework you remember? I'm sure. How many of you remember the homework? You'll get marks to even remember the homework. So how many of you remember the homework? Okay. So what was the homework? So those who are raising the hands, they remember. Rest of, yes, there are many. Okay. So what was the homework? What's the homework? Yes, those who have raised hand, any one of them? Manvi, Ritima, when can say?
Good morning. The homework was to stay away from negative news, anything negative, and of course, practicing no anger.
Okay. So, and the one was, the earlier homework was anger, and this homework was to stay away from the negative news and also taking the responsibility of, the homework was this, I'm sure you understand it, taking the responsibility of anything what I'm going through rather than blaming. So we were discussing how many times whenever I created anything negative, I took the responsibility of my anger, hurt, etc. So this was the homework. Suppose the reason could be anyone, but I took the responsibility of that anger, hurt, and emotion. And then I tried to change it. I hope you remember this. Okay. So this way, the homework was done. Yeah. Okay. So now, how many of them did this homework? Taking the responsibility of the hurt. Okay, wonderful. Any such experience? The moment you took the responsibility of that emotion, what could be the experience? Yes, brother Rajesh Bhai. Our brother Rajesh Bhai, you can say.
Yeah, so basically what I felt was that at least there was no stress on my mind. I was relaxed. So that way, at least I was able to concentrate on something else rather than keep thinking about that negativity or the thoughts which was there. So
Right.
stress level comes down because of this.
Wonderful. Because why the stress level was down? Because if I know, ek bar, one person, no, he got up in the morning, or ekdam the head of the family and very big shot. So like the people in the family used to be afraid also of him. So he found a big table near his bed. He called the servant, ये क्या है, तुमको समझ में नहीं आता, ये है वो है एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, बहुत बोला. सब लोग चुप थे. बाद में उनकी वाइफ थोड़ा शांत हुए. 15 मिनट के बाद वाइफ ने बोला, रात को ये टेबल है ना, आपको कुछ रखना था और आपने वो कहीं इतना बड़ी चीज थी और एकदम सोते सोते you wanted the table to be beside you and therefore you called the servant और उसके बाद अपने टेबल बाजू में रखा. अब क्या हो गया, वो चुप हो गए because I did it, no one else did it, so the anger came down. So when we take the responsibility of that any emotion, because only I have to be blamed, I am responsible, so then automatically the stress level, when I blame so many, the stress level increases. So this is the beauty. I created it means I am responsible. So now, so I think so the anger wala homework to continue hai, and then taking the responsibility. And today now we'll discuss about how to increase that power, inner powers. Because when we talk about anger or any responsibility, but then somewhere there are some lacking of inner powers. So we are going to talk about, there are 8 powers. Today we'll talk about 2 powers. Power to let go, power to be flexible. Whatever anything outside happens, am I able to create positive thoughts? In other words, when I'm creating very powerful thoughts, I'm actually blessing myself. We go so far away places, no? कहाँ जाते हैं हम लोग? Even out of the country, we travel all the way to the saints. किस लिए? Please bless us. कुछ blessing दे दो. But if we could just understand the key of the blessings is with me. If I go on creating powerful thoughts, I'm actually creating blessing for myself. I'm blessing myself. Possible? जितनी बार I am powerful, ये बहुत अच्छे हैं, ये भी अच्छे हैं. Now see, for example, suppose this was a gathering, so today it is virtual. Otherwise, it's suppose a gathering of so many people, 94 people at present. And then you enter the room, and the moment you entered, you saw someone you knew. You went all the way from back to the front to the seat. You greeted that person very happily, Monday morning, और बहुत खुशी खुशी से गुड मॉर्निंग. उन्होंने आपके तरफ देखा और मुंह इधर कर दिया. Okay, now create a blessing. Now create a blessing for the soul. Fast, we need blessing. आप बहुत अच्छे से गए. There was no earlier lies, expectation, hatred. No such event happened with that person. But this was the response. Can I create a blessing? How many? Anyone who would like to say, what blessing can I create? Yeah, क्या thought first आएगा? चलो, forget about the blessing. What would be the first thought I will have? Okay. What could be the first thought? Yes, I want some thought from you. Immediately one thought. The very first thought is the curse or the blessing you create. किसी ने कहा कि forget. आपने नहीं कहा, मेरा टाइम बच गया. So because अच्छा टाइम बच गया. True. नहीं तो बात करनी पड़ती. टाइम बच गया. So life is so simple. वो नहीं बात करता है, बहुत अच्छा, मेरा टाइम बच गया। और फिर दूसरा थॉट, आई विल ऑल्सो नॉट टॉक नाउ। डू वी हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ थॉट? वी कैन हैव। किसी ने कहा, यस, वन ऑफ देम रोट कि मैं वो रूठी, मैं छूटी। अच्छा है, you came all the way and you she didn't speak to you. अच्छा है, मैं छूट गई। So life is so simple, no? There's no need to think only, but we say life is very complicated. So what actually is happening? So I felt कि नहीं बात करती, छोड़ो, I won't, so I will not take any heed to it. अगली बार उसने भी अगर कुछ किया, I am preparing myself right now कि in case future में whenever she says anything, I'm ready, right? And now so what I do, option 1 is this, वो नहीं करता, छोड़ो छोड़ो। तो क्या किया हमने, हम लाइफ में छोड़ते गए, ये नहीं करता है, छोड़ दो इसको। देन ये भी ऐसे ठीक नहीं बात करता है, छोड़ो उसे। सपोज आई एम नॉट, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट एबल टू क्रिएट पॉजिटिव थॉट्स, सो इजीएस्ट ऑप्शन क्या है, छोड़ दो। So today it was friend at the gathering. Tomorrow it could be jobs in the office. The next day it could be the spouse at home. नहीं करता है, छोड़ो। तो what happened? We started making ourselves alone from all these things. Because वो नहीं करता है, छोड़ो। Equation ये था life का. And therefore I became alone. तो अब बचा क्या? मेरे पास सोशल मीडिया बचा है। So I and the social media. And then I ask, any friends? And then whoever chats with me, they are good friends. So I have 1000 friends. मैं कहाँ alone? So my power to adjust, to respond positively, I was stopping it. Because easiest option क्या था? बात मत करो। वो नहीं बात करता, मैं भी नहीं बात करती। वो नहीं ऐसा करता, मैं भी ऐसे नहीं करती। बहुत इजी ऑप्शन। तो हमारी शक्ति, जो हम बात करने की, फ्लेक्सिबल होने की, वो पार हमारी स्टॉप हो गई। We couldn't be flexible. Why? Because she's not doing this. Now what will happen? And then we got this habit, we got in the habit of saying bye-bye to friends, bye-bye to clients, bye-bye to jobs. तो इसलिए this became the habit. Now suppose I'm very stiff, बहुत ऐसे stiff हूँ, और मुझे अभी फर्स्ट टाइम बेंड करने को बोला। ऑलवेज आई एम वेरी स्टिफ, आई डोंट बेंड। ओके, देन पीपल टोल्ड मी कि दिस इज नॉट गुड, प्लीज डू बेंड। सो आई स्टार्टेड बेंडिंग। अब फर्स्ट व्हेन आई ट्राइड, बिकॉज अंटिल नाउ आई हैव नेवर डन इट, सो व्हेन आई ट्राई फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, व्हाट विल हैपन? बहुत पेन है। अब इतना पेन हो रहा है, से फॉरगेट ना, बहुत मुश्किल है। अच्छा, that it was not just 5 minutes pain, but 5 दिन तक वो पेन रहा, बिकॉज कभी झुका ही नहीं, तो इसलिए वो पेन चलता रहा। और so therefore then I felt कि forget ना, it's very easy to be stiff rather than to bend, because when I bend, then it becomes, there is a pain. So what I did, So therefore what I did, निकाल दो। Because there was pain, so I stopped. Now suppose I start doing it, कि ठीक है pain है, but I still become flexible. I'll still go on becoming flexible because I want कि मैं झुकेंगे because it's not good. Bending is good for my health. The more I'm flexible, it's very good for the health. तो मैं बार बार झुकती जाऊंगी, try करूंगी. There would be pain initially, but what will happen? चलो 5 दिन भी pain रहा, but then eventually बाद में वो pain subside होता जाएगा. And then once it comes, that day comes कि I could bend it quite often. And when I able to bend it, I feel I'm so flexible, I'm so energetic. Stiff, of course, is not a posture of the body. So similarly, can I be now? She is not speaking to me, she ignores me, she doesn't respond to me. Do I have the courage to go and say hello to her? She has not responded to our message. Do I have the courage to not say anything, but still, when I as my, without any negative thought, I still go on speaking good morning, wishing, whatever I should do, without any negative thought. Do I have the power? Can I do it for a friend in the gathering? And it could be 1 friend, 2 friends, 3 friends. I can do it. Means what I'm doing, I'm bending. मैं झुक रहा हूं. तो जो झुकेगा, and now it could be कि मैं झुकता जा रहा हूं, और हो सकता है every time I go on bending, and हो सकता है वो कभी झुके भी नहीं. So while bending, and I keep on bending, what answer will I have to give myself? क्यों मैं झुक रही हूं? क्यों मैं आगे होके बात कर रही हूं? क्यों मैं आगे होके विश कर रही हूं? I have to give the answer to myself, because then only I will be able to continue. क्योंकि उसको करना ही नहीं है वैसे. Because the answer which I have to give to myself, मैं झुकूंगी, I will be happy. I want to be happy. जो happy है वो bend कर सकता है. जो flexible है वो energetic है. So I be flexible. I want to be happy. Happy people are able to adapt themselves very well. कहीं भी आप देखो, जब खुशी होती है ना, कोई भी सिचुएशन होती है वो इतनी बड़ी नहीं लगती है. सपोज देयर इज अ बिग पार्टी एंड सपोज बहुत अच्छी खुशी का मौका है, एंड उस समय कोई बड़ा सारा कुछ ऐसे गिर भी जाए, एंड यू आर वेरी हैप्पी दैट टाइम. आप कहेंगे कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, फाइन, हो गया, फॉरगेट. एंड व्हेन देयर इज स्ट्रेस्ड, एंगर, and you're walking on the road, इतना सा किसी ने धक्का दिया, what will happen? वो कितना irritation होती है. So when I'm happy, I'm able to adapt myself better, actually. So when I'm bending, I'm happy. If I can give this answer to myself कि नहीं मुझे, because what is happening, the more I am moving forward and doing it, I'm actually making myself very clean. I'm not restricting myself. झुकने वाला झुकाता है, झुकने वाला ओपन होता है. The one who is stiff, मैं क्यों बात करूं, मैं क्यों मैसेज देखूं, उसको मैसेज करना चाहिए, मैंने 4 बार कर लिया, इट्स ओके, सपोज ऐसा प्रोटोकॉल वाइज बार बार आप बोलेंगे नहीं, बात नहीं करेंगे, बट आई डोंट क्रिएट अ सिंगल नेगेटिव थॉट। ये तो बहुत इगोइस्टिक है, ये तो कभी फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं है, ये तो कभी सुनता नहीं है। आई डोंट क्रिएट अ नेगेटिव थॉट, ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी आई क्रिएट अ ब्लेसिंग, because what is the thing which is not allowing that person to bend? What is that answer? I think so everyone is very familiar with it. Right, ego. Ego is the thing which is not allowing the person to bend, right? When it's, see, ego, ये हाथ का ये पोर्शन है, this is very soft, and this portion of the hand very hard, right? There is a table. By mistake, this portion, I just wanted to do something else, but this portion it hit this place, the table. And this portion also hit the table. कहाँ ज्यादा दर्द होगा? कहाँ ज्यादा दर्द होगा? इधर, इधर. Right? इधर होगा. Why? Simple reason. Simple reason. ये भी हार्ड है, वो भी हार्ड है. So वो भी ईगो, मेरा भी ईगो. Therefore we say ego hurt. मेरा ईगो हर्ट हुआ. किसका ईगो हर्ट हुआ? जिसका ईगो है. I don't like the person, means I could understand कि बहुत egoistic है, because of which there is a sort of avoidance. So my ego, am I not egoistic by not talking to that person, by not responding as per what I should do? उसका तो दिख रहा है मुझे ईगो अपना. So every time she is not responding and I am also doing the same, creating the same, I am nurturing the ego in me. I'm watering the ego every time. और ऐसे ऑफिस में कितने लोग मिलेंगे जो नहीं बात करेंगे? पूरे दिन में मिल जाएंगे, एक या दो मिलेंगे. एक दिन में दो, मिनिमम दो समझ लो. तो दो बार, and suppose they are the colleagues next to mine, they are subordinates sitting right next to me. I tell him, he doesn't listen, he ignores it. And I tell him, he still ignores it. I go on creating, बिल्कुल सुनता नहीं, बिल्कुल. I'm just creating curse. अब क्या होगा? 8 hours in the day, I'm with this kind of personality. अब बाद में घर में जाती हूँ, 8 hours मेरा कर्स चलता जा रहा है. या whenever I see that person, it's not throughout, but at least, so I'm very एक बार हैबिट कितने दिन में फॉर्म होती है? एक बार करो, 2 बार करो. जूम की हैबिट कितने दिन लगी हमको बनने में? हाँ? See, 2 times we met, right? It was like, this is the 3rd time we are meeting. So it has become a habit sort of. Ki Monday morning we'll be listening something. How many of you feel it's a habit now? Yeah, good. So Monday morning we'll be listening. 2 बार किया, 2 घंटे बात की. 3rd time it is a habit. So twice a day I'm sitting with a colleague who is not listening. I'm going on creating the negative curses. अब मेरे संस्कार एक दिन में फॉर्म हो जाएंगे कर्स क्रिएट करने का. आई एम गोइंग विद दिस संस्कार एट होम. घर में पहुंचे, द स्पाउस डिडंट सर्व द हॉट फूड टू यू. अब क्या क्रिएट करेंगे? easiest क्या है? Throughout the day what I was creating, it became easy for me. Is it? Easy हो गया ना फिर तो. Because throughout the day that is what I'm creating. So therefore, if I can just create a blessing for this kind of personalities particularly, she is very good. She is very powerful. She must be busy. Okay, fine. But I'll just speak to her. I will certainly not only create anything, but if possible, if need be, because we are sitting together, I'll speak. आप करोगे, आप जाओगे, whatever is needed. This is called being flexible. And now with this sanskar, I go home. Because everyone going from the office is a parent at the end of the day. You came in the home, no one greeted you. What will you do? The children are busy in their mobiles as it is today, nowadays. The wife is busy in that. You reached home. No one asked you for a water. No one greeted you happily. They were busy watching the serial. What will you create? What would Jindal Stainless Steel create? क्या create करेंगे? Create कर सकते हैं? Because throughout the day, what did you do? अच्छा, now आप कहेंगे क्या है, सब जगह मेरे को ही झुकना पड़ता है. This also. अब now I have to answer. मैं जब झुक रही हूँ कलीग के साथ, not at the end of the day. चलो ऑफिस में तो आप कहेंगे मजबूरी है, बॉस है, what we can do. I have to helplessness. Helplessness is not flexibility. Helplessness is ego. It's a complex. It's a complex. It's not flexibility. Because अब क्या करें? ऑफिस में रहना है, इनसे काम है. So when I'm bending, when I'm talking, आगे होके, तो मैं अपने आप को कहती हूँ, yes, मुझे flexible होना है. Because I want to increase my power. We have heard about many people in the moment of crisis, how they came out. In spite of this, but how they worked very hard and they came out. So this is called working very hard internally. So there I'll give my answer. No, I want to be flexible because I want to be clear. I don't want to just wait for the person to respond well and wait for the messages and then no, मैं आगे होके बात कर लूँ. मेरा मुझे काम है, मैं बात कर लूँगी. वो नहीं बात करता, it's fine, it is his problem. उसको bless करना है with the thoughts. And I will do it. तो अब क्या होगा, घर में पहुंचे. And this was the style in one day, the sanskar. घर में क्या करेंगे? सब busy है अपने अपने में. No one asked even for a glass of water. What will you do? क्या करेंगे बोलो? आज का ही दिन हो सकता है. Returning home late also today because today was Monday. थोड़ा लोड भी था and you came late and still see everyone busy in their own work. क्या करेंगे? किचन में जाके पानी ले लेंगे? How many will can do that? Without creating any negative thought. अच्छा वो सीरियल देख रहा है, बाजू में बैठ के हालचाल पूछ लेंगे? पूछ सकते? They should ask me. I have come all the way. Throughout the day, I was busy. What am I doing everything for? For them, for these people? They don't want to even respect me to this extent also. बाजू में बैठेंगे. Because you have created so powerful thoughts throughout the day that now when you sit with them, you are just radiating that happiness with them. How will they feel after you went beside them और बहुत अच्छे से बात की? उनको कैसे लगेगा? अच्छा 1 day 2 day 3 day 4 day पूरे वीक ऐसे कर रहे हो. And these children, when they go out, when they become adult and they have their own families, they will say कि मेरे डैडी ने ना ऑफिस से आते थे, इतनी लेट आते थे, इतने काम से आते थे, क्या क्या प्रेशर होता था, लेकिन हमें कभी भी जोर से नहीं बोला. Do we want this kind of blessing, this kind of feedback from the children? But it started in the office. It didn't start that time when you went at home. It started there. So every little time I bend because I want to be flexible. Not because helplessness, majburi nahi hai, choice nahi hai. So I bend. This is called power to be flexible. And the more I am flexible, अब वो नहीं भी करेगा Monday morning for 7 days because उनका संस्कार है नहीं, उनका संस्कार है चुप रहना. कुछ एक बार बोल दिया, अब नहीं मैं बोलूंगी. You say many times, you even help them. उनका संस्कार नहीं है बात करने का, उनका संस्कार नहीं है हेल्प करने का. मेरा संस्कार कौन सा ग्रो हो रहा है? अब what kind of boss would you like to have? The one who is helpful. And forget about having a good promotion or so. How many powerful thoughts would you have for such kind of personality? ये तो बहुत अच्छा है, ये बहुत mixing nature है. How many blessings do we get? हमको all the way इटाली क्यों जाना पड़ेगा, वेटिकन सिटी क्यों जाना है blessings के लिए? Can I have the blessings every day? Why do I deprive myself for 1 year and then go to Vrindavan or Rishikesh and then have one blessing? When throughout the day I can have so many blessings. एक वो subordinate वो कहेगा ये बहुत अच्छा है, I like to be with him. That subordinate will say yes, I also. Internally, maybe outside they might not speak, forget. What we are concerned is that internal blessings, if I can have, वो blessings है, ऊपर का कुछ नहीं है. So I'm creating that, and therefore there is nothing I'm keeping inside me. अंदर कुछ है ही नहीं. This is called सरलता. Now, एक बार दिल्ली में one sister, she at the age of 5, she came to our center. At the age of 5, she was abused by the parents. That had such a strong impact on her. Today she is 40, 35 years. She has holded on to that feeling, emotion, और कहती है कि I just cannot, and she's alone. I cannot trust anybody because मेरे parents में the closest person, they abused me. It could be in front of people or so, whatever. And after coming to the center, she went on with the spiritual principles. She could understand the spiritual principles of right thinking. She went through the course, and then she said, "Ki after 35 years today, I'm feeling that I created a very long karma, and I'm letting off that emotion." कितना टाइम लगा? एंड उसने कहा मेरे ही कर्मों के कारण मुझे मिला था, बट 35 इयर्स तो मैंने गलत कर्म किया ना. कितनों को बोला, कितनों को मिसट्रस्ट किया, एंड दैट एक गलत किया पहले का था जो मुझे पेरेंट्स ने ऐसे किया, और 35 इयर्स मैंने जो किया. So that day in the meditation room she went and she let off her feelings. She admitted. तो कोई भी बात किसी ने कुछ कहा, the second part is power to let go. How fast and how easily can I let go? कितना टाइम लगेगा? ये वेट है, I'll just carry it on. How easily can I put it off? I'm holding it. I want to put it off. How easily can I do it? How much time will it take? कितना टाइम लगेगा? 1 सेकंड लगेगा? But I just go on holding it. 10 minutes ऐसा का ऐसा होल्ड करके रखा. 20 minutes, 1 hour I hold. Who is at pain? And then I hold it for 1 day, full day, ऐसा का ऐसा. 1 day, 1 month. तुमने ऐसे बोला, उसने ऐसा उस दिन किया. I went all the way. You didn't even wish me. You didn't even wish me happy birthday on my birthday. होल्ड करके रखा मैंने. कितने दिन तक होल्ड करूंगी? अब क्या होगा? Now why did I hold it? Because I was feeling. Why did she hold it? Because they are the ones to give me. So until and unless they'll take away, it won't go away. But was it in my hands to keep it free? Or was it up to them to take away? So when I could understand that it was in my hands to keep it, अब कितना टाइम लगा? I am free. हम क्या सोचते, जब तक वो सॉरी नहीं बोलेंगे, जब तक वो शांत नहीं होंगे, जब तक वो हमसे अपोलोजाइज नहीं करेंगे, I cannot let it off. But actually, I was holding it. I kept it over. Did they give me? And what will happen? कि अब मैंने उसको होल्ड करके रखा, बहुत समय तक पेन किया. अब now this hand became useless until I was holding that. I couldn't hold any other thing. अब और कुछ डालना है किसी को नहीं, because it is busy with that thing. और फिर because this was not the position of the hand. The position of the hand is ऐसे. ये कोई पोजीशन नहीं है, ये पोस्चर नहीं है. तो क्या होगा? अब मैंने रख भी दिया तो ये पेन होने लगा. तो this hand became useless for many other things also. I couldn't use it until I was holding, and when even after I've given up, the pain जो है अब it became useless. I couldn't use it for many other purposes. ये मन को इतनी सारी बातें, उस दिन ऐसा किया, उस दिन इसने ऐसा किया, मैंने होल्ड करके रखा. Because तुमने बोला ना, you did this. How much time will it take for me to go on? I was holding, I'll keep it. Now it is my choice to keep it for after 1 hour, 1 minute, or how much time do we want? आज उसने बॉस ने ठीक से बात नहीं की, अभी आप कैबिन में गए, नहीं बात की उसने, तो उसने कोर्स नहीं किया था, इसलिए आप बाद में जाके वापस कैबिन में जाके बोल सकते हो उनको. Yes sir, how are you? Can I say? This is called the courage. इजी क्या है? मत बात करो, तुम मत बात करो, मैं भी मत बात करती, इजी है. करेज किसको कहेंगे? और क्या होगा? बाकी सब सबऑर्डिनेट्स बात नहीं कर रहे. You only went and spoke to him, and he knew you were the most the powerful target for him earlier, 2 minutes before. सबसे ज्यादा आपको डांटा था, पर आप जाके आगे होके बात किया. क्या होगा उनको ऐसे पर्सनैलिटी के प्रति? आपके पास अगर कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति आए, आपने बोला, फिर भी वो बहुत प्यार से आके बोलता है, हाउ आर यू सर, शुड आई गेट अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, with heart, with a blessing, not just taunting. क्या होगा आपको? You will have more faith with that on that person. Will you? हम कहते हैं लोगों पर मुझे विश्वास नहीं है. क्या मैं विश्वास का पात्र बन सकता हूँ? बन सकता हूँ? Let's start today with this homework. कि whatever others will do, I'll still be flexible. I will go. I will tell her Om Shanti. I will tell her good morning. I will respond to the message. She won't do, it's okay. I will bless her internally and I'll do. Can I do this? For one day? How many? See, Deepika Ben is raising the hands. What about others? Wonderful. Such a good leader you have. I should see all the hands. Okay. Voluntarily, because it is up to you. It's your mind. Okay. So today's homework. So note it down very nicely, the homework. Next. Okay. So this is the homework. Anyone doesn't respond to my good feelings or good gestures, I will still bless them. Internally, you are good, you are powerful, you are sweet. I'll just bless them because I want to be a blessed soul. And I'll keep quiet from thought also when I'm using outward tolerance. To homework hai. So in spite of other things, I'll still, and I'll let one more homework. I'll let go everything. कुछ भी हुआ अभी तक किसी के साथ भी, it is up to me to keep it down. I have the power to let it go. So कुछ भी 2 महीने पहले हुआ, 1 मिनट पहले भी हुआ, I have that power. Can I do that? So 1 week के लिए we'll do this 3 questions. 3rd question also we'll do. It's not written. So every moment what I do should be clean, should be sorted. क्योंकि इधर अंदर कुछ रखा ही नहीं है. और जब अंदर कुछ रखा नहीं है ना, और कभी भी शरीर छूट जाए, क्या हो जाएगा? मैंने रखा था और शरीर छूट गया. I'll carry this, that hatred. And the child, when it is born, so he has the feeling of being rejected because he carried it. So इसलिए meditation is what? Decluttering the mind. Decluttering. No clutters inside. Easy? So we'll do 5 minutes meditation. Very powerful meditation. First I bless myself. I'm a very powerful soul. I'm a happy soul. I will bend. And second, I have no grudges, nothing. Until now, whatever I was holding. And just today, Monday morning, and every day, very beautiful start. I'm letting it all go. Let it go. I am pure energy. Very pure. Light. I am a powerful soul. I am a courageous soul. I have the courage to be flexible. See yourself discipline. And I'm giving blessings. I'm courageous. I'm so much so courageous that I can radiate the courage to others just using that courage. I am a happy soul. I am the part of that. I will talk from my side. मेरा मन clean है. I am a powerful soul. Yes. I have the power to be angry, to take the responsibility. Any negative emotion I have. So I am a blessed soul. I have that energy which is a unique. Be yourself. And today, start with life. I, courageous. I, this is the me, the real me. Satisfied. Yes, mountain, big mountain my contact. ये अच्छा है, ये भी अच्छा है, कुछ भी अच्छा है, ये भी अच्छा है, ये भी अच्छा है.